I started Reset Restoration due to the fact that I felt like there has to be a better way. Years ago, whenever I was building homes, I had a homeowner that had a home flood, and a company now that is a competitor of mine got called out to this house, and it was like a bomb had gone off. They had torn the house to shreds, broke the granite island in the home, and I just had thought to myself, there has to be a better way.
Ryan came in there and he kind of saved the day. He came in and he had helped these people through a really hard situation at the start, and he was a hero that day.
So I went and got educated in restoration and how to do mitigation services and structural drying. We understand the bones of your property and how the structures are constructed. Therefore, we don't have to be so invasive to where you're going to have to require many months of reconstruction. We can mitigate your home without having to completely tear it apart.
The hardest part for most people is just dealing with the experience. I want Reset Restoration to give people the best experience that they can have during a catastrophe.
We understand what you've gone through if you've suffered a catastrophic loss on your property. Call us at Reset Restoration, 918-582-7373. Let us help you put your property back together.